I welcome you once again. This is a very tiny bag. You can use it to put your coins or EarPods. It's very nice and very simple to make. So I'm going to take you through the steps that you're supposed to follow to make something this simple for yourself. It is very simple to make. So please follow and let's dive into the tutorial. So we are going to start with making we call this magic ring. Yeah, we are starting with a magic ring. Then after this magic ring we are going to chain 2. After chaining 2 we are going to make 10 double crochets in here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So we've made 10 double crochets in here. So what we are going to do, we are going to pull this to cover this big hole here so that it becomes a circle or something round. After that we are going to join here with a slip stitch, and then we chain 2. So this is what our first step, the first row. This is what we've got. So what we are going to do, we are going to make double crochets again, 2 double crochets in each of the double crochet that we made. We are going to be making two double crochets in each. So starting from here, like in each double crochet we made previously, we are going to make 2. So after when you reach here, we are going to join here with a slip stitch, and then we join 2 again. We chain 2 again. So this is what we have. We are going to chain 2, to make 2 double crochets again all around. We are making 2 double crochets all around for the second round. We actually are going to make it up to here. We are making halfway so that we can come up with something like this here. Okay, this is now what we have. Even this side we have the same thing. So what we are going to do here, we are going to join them together. We are going to join them so that we can come up with something beautiful. We come up with a beautiful bag. We are joining here. So I already have two here. I'm going to join them together to get a beautiful bag that we want. Yeah. Actually, the simplest thing for me. So our bag is complete. If you want, you can add a chain. If you want it to have this handle like this, you can just make a chain like from here. We just chain from here. So you can make it as long as you want, and then you join on this side here. Join with a slip stitch. And this is it. This is what we have so far. If you want a longer, you make it longer. You can keep your coins here. You can put your EarPods here. There are so many things you can do in here. If you want, you can add another design on top, but this is what we've made so far. Yeah, so far this is what we have. Thank you for being part of this video, this tutorial. Thank you.